Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Android mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to factory reset, how to erase old data. Friends, you want to erase old data, you want to use factory reset setting. So friends, now let's see how to use factory reset setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. How to factory reset mobile data. Open your phone setting. So friends, you want to erase all data in your device, your photos, video, download apps, music, other user data. Open your phone system setting and scroll down here, tap here reset option setting. First of all friends, you can reset your network setting, Wi-Fi setting and mobile network setting and Bluetooth network setting. You can reset, you can fix your network problem. Tap here reset option, setting will reset. Tap here, setting will reset. Setting has been reset. Now you can use your Wi-Fi, mobile network, Bluetooth network setting without any problem. Friends, tap here erase all data. Factory reset setting you want to erase, so you can erase all data. So friends, your Google account, system app and data setting will delete. Downloaded apps, music, photo, other user data, everything will delete in your Android mobile. Erase all data. Factory reset setting you can use. Tap here erase all data, and before erase guys, first of all charge your phone. So friends, you have any 40 and 50% charge, don't factory reset your mobile data. Okay friends, first of all charge your phone at least 55% and 60%. Okay, after 55 and 60% you can erase all data. And before erase all data guys, first of all do one thing, file transfer your important photos videos with your Google file, and you can use your share me app also. So once you have any important photo, video, music, any audio, so friends, first of all click here send option, select your photo, video and audio, file transfer. After file transfer, tap here reset option setting, and friends you can search your factory reset setting also. You can search your factory setting, we will search here factory reset setting. Tap here erase all data, factory reset you can erase from here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. I don't want to erase, but if you want to erase, tap here data will erase, and it will take time, so you will have to wait. Okay, bye, thanks for watching the video guys.